Hello everyone, welcome to another video of Funtastic Art. Today I'll be drawing a butterfly, so let's get started. The colors you will need are burnt orange for the skin, pink for the wings, and purple for the patterns in the wings. And you'll need a pencil to draw with, and please don't forget to subscribe. So let's get drawing. So first you're gonna draw like a squished oval like that. And then let's draw the eyes by doing two little circles and do two more little circles inside of them. And then just color them in. And do the other one too. And I'm gonna make it a girl, but you don't have to make it a girl. If you want to make it a boy, you don't add the eyelashes. And then draw a cute little smile like that. And then let's draw the ears by doing a line and then doing a circle on top. And if you want to make it thicker, you can just like add another line and then do the same on the other side. Like that. And now let's draw the wings by doing like a big C shape like that, then a smaller one right there. Then do the same thing on the other side. Big C shape, then a small C shape. And then let's draw like two big circles. So that's gonna be the pattern, and maybe if you want you can add little hearts inside, because I'm gonna add them. You can make whatever pattern you want. Because in my videos, you don't have to copy everything I do. And if your drawing doesn't look like mine, it's okay. Now let's color. So first get burnt orange and press really lightly so it looks like the skin. And color in the ears too. Oh, and I forgot that you actually need to add the legs, so let's add that quickly. Add 3 on each side. And then you can color those in too. Okay, we don't need burnt orange anymore. And now let's get pink for the wings. And don't color in the circles because that's gonna, and the hearts because those are gonna be colored purple. Wait, actually maybe let's make the hearts pink because I think I like that more. But you can do whatever you want with the hearts. Oh, and if you haven't seen my first video, how to draw a rabbit, you just go into my channel and watch that video too. I'm just telling you so you know that I did another video. Okay, and now you get your purple and color in the circles. My purple is kind of dark. It's kind of like bluish purple, but if you don't have that type of purple, you can like just use the normal purple that there is. And just color in the last one too. And if you want, you can add grass, but I just want to leave it like that. Please don't forget to subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. Thanks everyone for watching my video.